guys, it's Ty. Thanks for watching The Fumble. It may not come as a surprise that Tim Tebow still has God's favor. Alright, this is what happened according to an eyewitness's Facebook post. An older gentleman on a Delta flight from Georgia to Arizona suffered a severe heart attack. He went unconscious and lost his pulse. Several passengers tried endlessly to help him. Chest compression, starting an IV, basically trying to breathe life back into him. Then all of a sudden a man, a savior, if you will, walks down the aisle. That man was Tim Tebow. He, allegedly, allowed the family to cry on his shoulders and then prayed over the man with the family and other passengers. The plane landed and the man regained his pulse. The eyewitness said Tebow made a stand for God in a difficult situation. Both Delta and Tebow's representatives have confirmed the story. What do you guys think? Coincidence that the man regained a pulse shortly after Tebow's prayers, or was it help from above? Comment below. For more sports news, visit us at obsev.com/thefumble and make sure to subscribe before you go.